Okay, so today I'm on the way down to Brighton Burn Up. It is a lovely sunny day. It's a Sunday. Perfect weather for all the bikes. It was meant to be raining today, but the weather has cleared up beautifully. It's my first time going down to Brighton Burn Up, so I'm not too sure what to expect. That we've just had our little pit stop. We went to the Mackey's. It's just on the outside of Horsham. But yeah, not too sure what to expect. I've been told that it is probably one of the biggest, ride outs and meets. So looking forward to that. Obviously, we are on the ZX10R. Nice chill ride down, taking it easy. I've been told, obviously, there is also a lot of police presence down here. So, just gotta chill, take it easy, not draw too much attention to ourselves, but we'll see what the vibe's like. The bikes that I'm with, I think I've got 4 Blackbirds with me, and then there's a ZX10, Fireblade, CBR 600RR, and then there's also an MT7 as well. So yeah, nice little group of us. I didn't fancy recording the trip to the Mackey's because, it would have been like so much footage. I'd have had to waffle for the whole of it. I thought I'd record when we're a little bit closer. I think we're kind of near Horsham Way. And then it's just about maybe 10-15 minutes from here. I mean, I'm not leading and I've got no sat-nav, so I have no idea. So we're going to see how we go. The main thing I'm worried about is finding good parking for all of us. Ideally, we'd want to park as a group because I think there's like 8 or 9 people here today in our group alone. So it'd be nice to park together, get some nice shots of the bike. It's like 24 degrees almost or something. Like, this is the nicest weather we've had in about 2 weeks because it has been non-stop rain, the past couple of weeks. We thought we were going to be rained off today, so it's a nice little treat. But then I'm actually going away on holiday, so this will probably be the last time I go out on a ride before going away. So I go to Egypt, and it's annoying because my last holiday I went to Spain, and I hired a bike out there to go around by all the mountains in Mallorca. I would like to, hire a vehicle, maybe a quad bike or a bike out there, but not sure how that's going to go. If I can really, hire, because a lot of people say, don't leave the hotel, it's dangerous, it's this, it's that, the other. But I'm tempted to just say, fuck it, whack a camera on a helmet and off we go. Also, in hindsight, I probably should have made this bike a little bit less of a cop magnet, because on the front we got tinted headlight covers, we got the D mirror, still got all the indicators and all that stuff. Got a 7x5, which I think you're allowed. I think it is like right on the limit of what you're allowed. But they might probably pull me over for that. The exhaust is pretty leery. It's a race fit exhaust, but luckily the Fireblade that's with me has got a Austin Racing or something like that, and that's actually louder than mine. So I'm kind of hoping he draws all the attention away from me. But there's going to be so many bikes down there. I think we're all right. As long as you're not being a dick, you'll probably be fine. And I'm pretty sure it is now just this motorway, and then we're pretty much there. So I'll catch you when we get down there. All right, here we are. Basically just following all the other bikes. Fuck, blind leading the blind. Some people probably know where they're going. But yeah, beautiful day for it. Oof. Fair amount of police though we've already seen, like on the way down, just sat on the dual carriageways and motorways. Look at that. He likes the bike. Woo. Look at all them bikes. Fucking beautiful. So now the problem is finding where to park. As you can see, it's Ram. Oh, it's quad bikes. Sick. All kinds of bikes. Bit of everything. The aim of the game here is don't drop it and don't stall it. Yeah. Put the Ninja at the front, of course. Okay. Tons more bikes coming. So yeah, what I'm going to do is have a look around the bikes, around the shops, get some lunch, and then check back in later. I'll track you then. Alright, so that was Brighton Burn Up. Ton of bikes out. So much going on. You can see they've got the stalls down here. It's a Kawasaki stand as well. And yeah, it's a one way, so going out this way and then taking a short little ride home. Maybe go along the coast, I don't know. See what happens. Yeah, probably give a couple little revs on the way out. You know how it is. But yeah, really cool. Definitely recommend it. Just got to have a bit of patience because it takes a while to find parking. Started to cloud over a bit there, which is quite nice because it's been fucking hot. Been baking in all my gear. But yeah, nice to get on the road, cool off. So these are keychains as well. Fuck around and find out. Awesome little keychains. Grab one on the shop, it's linked in the description. Also they got the hoodies as well that bro on the Blackbird's wearing. So yeah, check them out, they're pretty cool. So I'm basically almost home now. We're just coming through Horsham, I think, or maybe we've gone past it. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here as it's not too exciting on the way back. It's just a nice little cruise home. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog down to Brighton Burn Up 2025. I managed to get some clips walking around as well, so I'll make sure to put them in. Just show off some of the bikes as well. But yeah, really cool event. It's actually nicely run as well, because they shut the whole road off to cars. It's just bikes that are allowed in, and it's all marshaled. It's a one-way system, so it's actually pretty chill. But yeah, let me know if you saw your bike in any of those clips. Let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.